Let's go back in there and talk to them, Cortez. Cortez, is that right?
Yeah.
All right.
There's been a very loud public outcry in recent years saying that police officers are unable to handle people with mental illness. Well, today's video is going to be my response to that. And my response to that is the people who are trained and are supposed to be dealing with these people with mental illness, they can't do it either. The video for today, we are going to show 5 separate incidents where at least there was 5 911 calls made by a local crisis center in Columbus, Ohio called NetCare. This facility is not a lockdown facility, and they had a patient walk out of their building on 5 separate occasions between the dates of August the 8th and August the 9th, until finally they made their last 911 call, and they asked the officers, if you find this guy, can you please take him somewhere else? So the video for today, you're going to get to hear those 5 911 calls, and you'll get to see the body camera footage from 2 of the officers who found this man and brought him back to the facility. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hi, this is Mercedes calling from NetCare. I'm calling to report an eloped client.
Okay, where at?
At NetCare, 199 South Central Avenue.
And what's the patient's name?
First name is Cortez, C-O-R-T-E-Z.
And this was eloped from Pink Slip?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know which way he was last seen going?
He was going towards Sullivan.
Okay. Is he violent or anything like that?
No, he hasn't been violent here or anything like that.
Hi, this is Rhoda calling from NetCare Access. We have an individual who eloped earlier and CBD brought him back. Unfortunately, he just eloped again. His name is Cortez. I believe he was shot in the foot at some point recently, so he's kind of hopping.
Okay.
Columbus Police, Tech 125.
Hi, this is Rhoda calling from NetCare Access. I'm calling about an individual who eloped earlier today, and he eloped again. His name is Cortez Jones.
When did he leave again?
I called you right after, but I've been on hold for like 8 minutes, so I guess probably like 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
And he is now wearing, he's wearing jeans and a light blue shirt, and he's still kind of hopping because of the foot injury. And this time he was heading north on Central Avenue.
Hi, calling from NetCare Access, calling about a client who's on Pink Slip who has eloped.
Okay. So do you need to make a missing report?
Well, he's on Pink Slip, so if when someone's on Pink Slip below, we just have to let the officers know, so if they can find him.
Okay, and are you at NetCare right now, you said?
Yes.
Okay. And who is this person?
Client's name is Cortez, C-O-R-T-E-Z. He's wearing a hospital gown. Calling from NetCare Access, I have a client who's on Pink Slip who has eloped. He's a black male with a hospital gown on. The officers, he just eloped, and the officers just brought him back, but is there any possible way they can, like, take him to OSU this time? He's just going to keep doing this all night. Our doors aren't locked. We can't.
I can let him know. I can't guarantee it. How long ago was it that he left?
He just walked out a minute ago.
What direction did he go?
I'm not sure. I didn't follow him outside.
8-3, I'll have him here at Sullivan and Central.
I copy, you good?
Yes.
Give me a ride to my grandma's.
To your grandma's?
Yeah.
Where's she live? Well, we gotta go get your stuff back at NetCare first.
My shoes?
Yes, and that. see what they have to say. What were they talking to you about? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
They said I could leave.
Well, sure they didn't say you could leave without your shoes.
Should I stay out here?
Huh?
Can I stay out here?
No, you can't stay out here. It's gonna start raining. You're gonna need some shoes. Do you agree?
Yeah.
All right. You got anything on you? How long? When did you go to neck care?
Last night.
Last night. For what were you going in there for? You go in there on your own?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. What you been thinking?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right.
I just wanted to stay there for one night.
All right. Well, let's go back there and talk to them. What you limping for? Huh?
I got shot once in the leg.
You got shot in the leg for what? Wrong place, wrong time? All right. Hang tight. Here, let's get the seat. I don't trust my driving. We'll be headed back to neck care.
Okay.
Well, you gotta talk to them, finish talking to them here. What'd you come here for last night? You just wanted to stay the night? Let's go back in there and talk to them, Cortez. Cortez, is that right?
Yeah.
All right. How long ago did you get shot in the leg?
A month ago.
A month ago. Taking care of that? I mean, you have that limp. I mean, you're only 21. Gotta get that taken care of. Been going to the doctor for it? Or not?
Where in the legs you get shot?
I'd get that looked at, because I mean, you're gonna be limping the rest of your life.
Did you break your bone? Did you break any bones?
Come on in here.
I'm sorry, 198, go ahead.
Let me check in the garage for rear of 690 Southland. It's got a 7A on the back.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Let's go back there and get your clothes, please.
You gonna let me leave still?
It's up to them. I don't know what the deal. We don't know anything. Well, at least go back there and get your clothes. You can't walk around the gown.
Yeah.
Are you hurt? Are you hurt? What's wrong with your leg?
Yeah, I'm hurt.
Let's go back there and neck care.
In the second car back here.
I don't know what their deal is with down there, but you can't walk around the gown out here.
You don't have anything tucked away inside your gown there, do you? All right, hop in for me, bud. We'll drive you back down there. At least get your clothes. $82. Five one back to net care. Yeah.
Taking him anywhere else.
Huh.
Why'd you leave, man? Just don't like it there. How'd you hurt your foot? All right, sir. You coming? You need some help, or are you good?
You alright?
Yeah.
You in pain?
No.
What's wrong with your foot, man? What's wrong with your foot?
I got shot once.
Oh, so it's a permanent thing?
Is there a reason why you keep running out of the building?
I don't want to be here.
You're gonna have to wait until the doctor lifts your pink slip. Where are you going? With the hospital gown. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, yep, no problem.
Hey, just hang up till the doctor gets here. It'll probably be when the sun comes up, doctor will be here right in the morning.
Yep.
Nine.
Yeah, by 9 o'clock, talk to the doctor and see what happens, alright?
Oh, yeah, it's
Don't make us come out here and get you again.
only about a nap amount away. It's 4 hours from now.
Just wait a couple hours, and we'll have to keep walking.
That's why.